So, welcome back. This is part 3 of the Invincible tour for those of you who are the administrators on your account. So, we've just looked at the tools, so those are very helpful. I have a few more pieces of information I think will be helpful for you as the administrator on your account. If you go back to assessment and down to your people, I want to show you a few things that you have capability to do since you're the administrator. First of all, when all of your people are uploaded, you'll see that as they take their 5 voices assessment, their voice will land right here under their name. So if you see that someone has not yet taken it because there's no voice, you might reach out to that person and just encourage them to go ahead and take the assessment. Because what you can do with that is you can use it in various ways. But one of my favorite ways is to, let's say you're going into a meeting with Amy Hill. You can click on Amy Hill. You can find out that she's a creative. You can find out what that means and see more about her personality. This is just so helpful to know how to communicate with her, to know what, she's really the champion of, to kind of meet her on her level according to her personality. You can also see her stats. That allows you to see how much Sherpa training she's done or if she's taken invincibility assessment or other things. Then you can look at her feed and it just shows what she's been learning on the platform. It might give you some insight into what she's working on personally or with her team. Also, you as the administrator will have these 3 dots. When you click on these 3 dots, you'll be able to do several things. So if I click here, you'll see that you can pin 4 different people to your dashboard. That just means that they're up front and center. You can be seeing those particular people. Maybe they're people that you work really closely with. You can make anyone an administrator. Now, what that means is you're giving that person permission to add users and delete them. So be very careful who you allow to be an admin. I usually suggest that if you've set up teams, that the team leaders get admin access, but you can do it whatever way you think would be best. You can make someone a catalyst. Now, a catalyst would add an extra cost. If you'll see here, it adds $199 per month. A catalyst is someone within your organization that you think would be a good trainer within your organization to your people, and they can become certified in our content and lead workshops and things. So that's someone, maybe an HR director or a team leader. You can also delete users here. So just know that if you press delete user, it will actually delete that person from the platform altogether. So be very careful about that. Also, one last thing before we go. If you come up here to the right-hand corner settings menu, there's several things that you can do from here. You can manage your account. You can change your password on your account. You can go into your billing history like this. If I go into billing history, you can download a PDF of your monthly invoices. If you go back to your settings and you go to manage subscriptions, this is where you'll see how much you're paying. This will allow you to see all the users on your account. You can add users from here. You can even export user data from here. That means that you can download a CSV file to your computer that will show the amount of minutes watched by your users. It will show you their voice order, things like that. So that's in your settings menu. So I hope that this has been a helpful tour. If you have any questions on Invincible or the platform itself, feel free to contact your expert here from GiANT, or you can always contact me at tracy.rader@giantworldwide.com. That's Tracy, TRACY. Rader, at giantworldwide.com. We hope you enjoy the platform and welcome.